fix sorry, this media file appears to be missing problem. So if you're facing a problem of sorry, this media file appears to be missing on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have your internet connection. So you need to open up your settings, and under settings you can go with your SIM card and mobile networks, and you can turn on your mobile data if you have your data, or you can just simply go with your Wi-Fi if you're using your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you're connected. Once you've connected, you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, go with search, and the search you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, you need to just go and update it. After updating your WhatsApp, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application. Go with the app info. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. And once you've cleared your cache, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix sorry, this media file appears to be missing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.